Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out giving you my first impressions and doing an eyeshadow look with my KKW Classic 2 eyeshadow palette. I waited for this palette to arrive for so long. I ordered it in the end of June. I think it was like June 30th. I ordered it when it came out. It took about 6 weeks to get here, and with all that is going on with my family, my kids, sports, school starting, I haven't had a chance to sit down and play with it. But today I have a little bit of free time before we're off to something else. My son has hockey, and I wanted to try it out and give you guys my thoughts and create a look with it. Also trying out the lip gloss and lipstick set. I ordered that as well in nude 1. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Tone, it's got a little bit more pink in it than the other one right here, and I'm just going to take this angled fluffy brush and start in my crease. So far, so good. It's going on really smoothly. Doesn't look patchy at all. And just a really pretty color. So it blended out really beautifully. I'm going to go in with the lightest color here in the palette and just an e.l.f. kind of dome brush. There's a little bit of fallout, but not too much. Oh, so nice. I was worried that this wasn't going to be pigmented enough, but there is a lot of pigment to it. I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. So it's like someone switched the summer switch off. It's fall now. We are at September, the beginning of September. The boys go back to school after this long weekend. Crazy. I can't believe it. I can't believe how fast August went. Not the summer. The summer, I feel like we had a nice long summer, but I just can't believe how fast August went by. So pool's done, everything's done. Now I feel like I'm hibernating. I was cleaning yesterday. I did the TikTok hack where I've seen them do the bedding where they fill up their bathtub, they put in laundry detergent, borax, and washing soap. I don't have washing soap. I didn't really know what that was, but I had borax and laundry detergent. So I filled the tub up with warm water, and instead of doing my bedding, I took a bunch of white t-shirts and tank tops, anything that kind of looked a little bit dingier and just lost its brightness to it, and I put that in the tub with the laundry soap and borax and just let it soak for hours, and you wouldn't believe all of just how dirty the water got. And then I just put it through the wash again without any detergent in it, and it was the whites were so bright, everything smelled so good and fresh. So I can't wait to try that out with more bedding. I just want to do everything. I just want to soak everything in the tub and then wash it all. Okay, these eyeshadows are blending out gorgeously. Now I'm going to go in with this cooler taupe color with the same kind of angled fluffy brush that I used with the first tone, and I am just using those first two colors. I'm obsessed. Anybody who knows me knows that I love Kim Kardashian anyways. I love her. So my opinion is biased, but these shadows are blending out gorgeously. I will wait the 6 weeks again for more. I love her contour stick. It's so good. I love my lip liner from her. So I'm I want want more. I want more. I'll wait. I'll wait the amount of time that it takes for it to come in because, oh my goodness, so gorgeous. All right, now this will be the bigger test. Let's go in with the darkest shade, and I'm just going to use this brush from Blender Beauty, and it's just kind of pointed, so it just gives me more precision when applying darker colors. So I'm just going to stay to the outer V of my eye. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little bit goes a long way. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Just pull that up a little bit higher. Not going into the crease, but just staying on this brow bone. Blending out so nicely. So I'm just going to blend it out a bit. It's not patchy at all. There's no fallout. So beautiful. Like, I would just stop here and just go for a matte look, but I want to try out more of the foiled colors and just the shimmery colors in here. Right, now I'm going to take this satiny dark brown color and I'm just going to go over the corner again. And just intensify that outer V. I am just so impressed with how nicely this blends. Like, my Urban Decay palettes do not blend as nicely as this. Love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love that it's like the cooler tones I want. Now I want her first classic one just to have some warmer tones as well, because the formula on this eyeshadow is gorgeous. Like, how gorgeous. Now I'm going to take some of this foiled color and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. Just sticking to the center part, keeping this front area nice and bright. Actually, I might go down a little further just because it'll have that nice kind of ombre look of it's lighter here out to the darker corner. So beautiful. Now I'm going to go in again with this satin brown color and an angled brush, and I'm just going to go under my lash line. And now I'm going to go in, I think, with this matte color and then go closer to the inner corner. Alright, I just put some eyeliner on and mascara. I've already lined my lips, so now I'm going to go in with the lipstick. I got it in the shade Nude 1, so the duo came with a lip gloss as well. Super pretty packaging. And it's like a nude with, I think, a light pink, peachy undertone. But really light if you want a really light nude. This is definitely it. This reminds me of old school high school days when I would put, like, I'd use eyeliner around my lips with like concealer on top of them to get that really, really white nude lip. So this is a cream formula and it looks a little bit more pinky in person. So now I'm going to go in over top of that with the lip gloss. And I did try this. I tried it. I couldn't resist, so I tried it, and the formula is really nice. It doesn't feel too sticky, and it lasts, and it's just got a nice peachy pinky look to it. So it's really light. Maybe I would have went for the next shade, but in person it doesn't look as light as it does on camera. Alright, so this is probably like my favorite eyeshadow look I have ever done, YouTube or not. These shadows are gorgeous. They are easy to work with, they are buildable, they're creamy, there's not much fallout, they blend beautifully, the tones are so nice. Like, I am so glad I picked up this palette. I was watching my YouTube friend Lynn. She loves Kim's eyeshadows and she tries out so much makeup, so much luxury makeup. So I will link Tara's video of her trying out the Classic 2 palette, and I can see why she loves these shadows. So I'm so glad that I picked this up. The lip gloss and lipstick, I like. Nothing too out of this world, but love the eyeshadows. So if you guys are looking for a nice, cool eyeshadow palette, I would invest in it and wait however long it takes for it to come in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I created. I can't wait to try out the warmer tones, maybe go with this side of the palette next time and do a warmer look for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.